Douches Whitening Shower Gel comes in 5 different varieties that cater to all skin type, all skin needs, as well as all skin color. They have the varieties that cater to the need of those with dark skin, caramel, white skin, and those who just wants to glow up or treat major skin concern. So in this video, we're going to be discussing about their 5 variants and how they all work. Hello guys and welcome to my channel. How is everyone doing? If this is your first time, hi. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're just coming across my videos, my name is Sunita Emmanuel. I film about skincare videos and everything relating to beauty. Like, share and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. So without further ado, let's delve straight into the video. Like I said, in today's video, I'm going to be discussing with you guys about Douches Whitening Shower Gels. Like, it comes in 5 different varieties and a whole lot of people are just very confused on the particular variant to go for. Some other people use is for those with just light skin or who intend to lighten up their skin. No, SK formulated their product for all skin colors as well as all skin type, if not all skin concern. They have the variants that cater to glow the skin, brighten the skin, maintain the skin complexion, clear imperfections, impurities, hyperpigmentation, and unifies the skin tone, as well as the variant that cater to whiten the skin in case for those who wants to just disappear. If you want the half cast effect, you're definitely going to get it. So first of all, let's look at their variants and know which one works for which skin color or concern. Okay, first variant we're going to be talking about is the blood orange blossom. This comes in a 1000 ml bottle. No, scrap that. All of their variants comes in a 1000 ml bottle. So these would last you for as long as you want it, depending on how you consume products. But again, a little amount of this product goes a long way, so it lathers really well. You don't want to do too much with it. If you just intend to glow up your skin or basically just brighten up your skin, this is the one to go for. This heals the skin, clears the skin of hyperpigmentation, discoloration, evens out the skin too. Like, it just helps with blemishes and suits the skin. Now, one thing that stands out about this particular one is the fact that it helps to lock in moisture. So if you are intending to go the route of Douches Shower Gel and you just want to glow up, you just want to brighten your skin, this is the one to go for. If you have dry skin, your skin is super dry, this is the particular one to go for. There's one thing about this one that stands out for me: the fact that it can clear skin imperfection, also suits the skin, moisturize the skin, and still brightens up the skin is one thing that I cannot wrap my head around. For those who just want to maintain their skin tone, you don't want to tamper with your skin complexion, next on my list is the super glutathione 13-in-1 variant. This addresses skin issues like wrinkles, discoloration. It also has anti-aging properties. One thing that stands out for me, like, I'm sure in this video you're going to be sick of one thing that stands out for me, because all their variants has something that stands out for me. If you have stretch marks or you're looking for a shower gel that will help prevent the appearance of stretch marks, this is the particular one to go for. This one is one I always recommend to those who are prone to stretch marks or those who already have stretch marks, because if you don't know the particular one to go for, sometimes you end up getting a reverse effect using this shower gel. So this is very good. Again, it contains anti-aging properties, so if your skin is wrinkled or your skin is looking some type of way, this is the particular one to go for. So if you just want to brighten up your skin, this is the one to go for. It does not lighten as much. This particular one just basically moisturizes the skin. So I would recommend this for those with caramel skin. The first one is for those who just want to maintain their skin tone. It does not darken the skin, neither does it lighten the skin. So if you're dark skin, caramel skin, light skin, or whatever skin complexion you are, you're looking for a shower gel that will just maintain and glow your skin tone, the orange blossom is the one for you. But if you want to brighten up, intentionally brighten up, preventing the appearance or fainting the appearance of stretch marks, this glutathione one is the one to go for. Again, it does brighten the skin, but if your skin is not so thick, you can actually just use this one as a lightening shower gel. For those who do not want to excessively lighten the skin, you just want to keep it really mild, maybe you have a sensitive skin, this is the variant to go for. I don't know if this is making any sense. The third one on my list is Gluta Berry Vitamin C variant. You see this particular one, I like the fact that they were particular, like deliberate about this particular variant. It has glutathione, it has vitamin C, collagen, it has kojic acid. So I mean, if you want to like lighten your skin, take your skin from one shade to 3 shades in matter of weeks or months, this is the particular one to go for. This is the one that is most that is trending on TikTok, that is trending everywhere. Why? Because of the ingredient listing, because of what it does. It lightens the skin. Again, consider it contains glutathione, and glutathione is meant to whiten the skin depending on the concentration, right? It also has collagen that helps to regulate collagen production for those whose skin has lost collagen production. This will help regulate collagen production, meaning it's going to help tighten up your skin and firm your skin. It has vitamin C that serves as a brightener and also as an antioxidant. It helps to prevent sun damage in your skin. It serves as a barrier between your skin and the sun, like the harmful UV rays of the sun. It also contains kojic acid that helps with dark spots, dark marks. It also has berries extract, which is plant-based extract. I'm not going to recommend this to those with dark skin or caramel skin, as much as I know that yes, there are people that hype skincare products too much to an extent that they are now so expensive. I know there are skincare products that are actually really worth the hype. Getting that off the way, the fourth one on my list here is one that has vitamin C and collagen. Now mind you, there are 2 variants that has vitamin C, which is gluta and vitamin C. This one is the vitamin C and turmeric. This is very, very nice for just skin maintenance. I would just say this would go or pass as a skin maintenance shower gel. I don't know, I keep calling it body lotion. Like, it's going to pass as a skin maintenance shower gel because why? It contains vitamin C that serves as a brightener. It contains collagen that firms up the skin, turmeric that helps to clear things like discoloration, blemishes, dark spot on the skin, basically unifying your skin tone. Do you now see why I said is a brightener and a skin maintaining shower gel? Like, this is also super nice. You're definitely going to love this particular one if you don't want to do so much. So you see why I said like there are variants cater for all skin types, concern as well as skin color. So if you feel you want to use SK Douches shower gel, you don't want to go wild with lightening, you can choose any of these. You're definitely going to love. Last but not the least is the dew milk and glutathione. See, this is the one that has goat milk. Very, very nice. It is very good for people with sensitive skin. It has arbutin, goat milk, glutathione. So in case you also want to lighten your skin, you feel, oh, this other one, ingredients in this one does not align with my skin concern or skin type, you can, like, check around their variants and know which one works best for your skin type, or which one best describe your skin type. Basically, which one has ingredients that best describe your skin type as well as concern. In overall, the most active one amongst them that lightens or whitens the skin, that can be paired with a brightening body lotion that is not lightening your skin. Like, if you basically just want to lighten up your skin and you have a lotion that is not working for you, go for the variant that is most active, which is the gluta and vitamin C one, the one that contains kojic acid. And like this particular one, this is very, very good for skin whitening. Like, some of their variants actually exfoliate the skin, has ingredients that exfoliate the skin. This one also serves as a scrub shower gel. The last 3 serves as a scrub shower gel, so it is very good, lifting dead skin cells and prepping your skin for other products to penetrate deeply. So yes, it will lighten your skin. So I hope this video helps 1 or 2 persons out there who have been battling with choosing a body scrub from SK and just don't know which one to go for, which one works better or best describe their skin concern. I hope I've been able to help you guys. If you've watched up until this point, thank you very much. I'm sure you liked the video. Please do not forget to like. It is very important. Share, subscribe, and leave me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know the next video you want me to film. Okay, hope I see you guys in my next one pretty soon. Bye.